Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making 2-ingredient garlic knots and I'm using my Breville Smart Oven Air. Do you guys remember those bagels that I made yesterday? Well, I'm using those same 2 ingredients and I'm jazzing it up to make these garlic knots. So I'm still using self-rising flour and plain Greek yogurt. But to that, I'm adding some cheese. So I've got 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of flour, and what does that look like? About a 1/4 cup of cheese. Y'all know I don't measure, I just sprinkle stuff. But anyways, I'm going to mix these together and I'm going to keep on mixing until a dough starts to form. And then once I've got a little ball going, then I'm going to put it on a lightly floured surface and I'm going to continue to knead the dough until it's no longer sticky. So now that my dough is ready, I'm going to cut it in half, then half again, then half again. So I ended up with 8 pieces. So I just rolled them out into like little snakes and then I formed my knots. And when I was reviewing this video, I was like, oh, these look like ribbons, but they're not ribbons, they're knots, okay? So leave me alone. Anyway, so I rolled them all out and here's what they look like when they were all done. And the next step was to brush them with some egg wash. And then after that, I seasoned them with some garlic salt and some Italian seasoning. I use Italian seasoning because I serve these with some spaghetti. But here's what they look like. And so now it's time to bake them up. So I'm spraying my basket with some olive oil so the knots don't stick. And I'm going to place them in my Breville on the air fry setting, 350 degrees for 11 minutes. Now, yesterday when I did the bagels in my Philips, it was 325 for 10 minutes. Since the Breville is so much larger, I always up the temperature a good 25 degrees. Here's what they look like halfway through. They're starting to plump up and look nice and golden. And here's what they look like when they were done. So these were super easy to put together. I do hope you guys give these a try because the kids said they were delicious. I didn't have any, but they loved them. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.